Hey, just in case it snows tomorrow, they're predicting a little snow. I got my brand new snowblower here. Is that convenient or what? And they painted it to match my RD. It's got the Kenny Roberts paint job on it. Can't get a lot more convenient than that. Anyway, we're just having a hell of a ride here. This is one of the places that Miles and I come to watch trains. There's a lot of train activity. It's in Ridgefield Park. As I say that, here comes a train. Not that it really matters, but Miles is not even here to enjoy this. But anyway, here's our great day. We got our new snowblower. We got our RD. We got trains. And at the end of this road, there's about a quarter-of-a mile drag strip where I don't think it's public road, so I think we'll go practice some wheelies anyway. What a day this turned out to be. I had no idea it was going to be this good of a day, but it's just turned out to be really, really a nice day.